Alright guys, I'm just about to get out of here. I got the Taurus 85 loaded up with 538 specials. I got the 686 loaded up with 7 Samson 38 special plus P. And I got the Shield loaded up with 2 mags of Winchester white box. 1 7-rounder, 1 8-rounder. So that's 7 and 5 is 12, 8 is 20. There should be 27 rounds in the magazines. I'll put them all on that one frowny face target there. Let's see what happens. .686. I forgot there was 7 in this one. That's weird. Ejector rod is hanging up. Oh, there it goes. Seems to be working fine now. Stuck. Anyway, not such a bad group. All in the face. Try the Taurus 85. Loaded up with 5 rounds of Remington UMC 38s. And so far at 15 feet here, looks like all are right in the face. Shield. Start with the 7-round flush mag. Go to the 8-round extended mag. See how we did. I'd be frowning too. Alright, got 1, 2, 3, looks like 4. Got a whole ton over here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. From 5 yards, I'm going to say all 27 hit. So, not a bad one. It's only 15 feet. It's only 5 yards here. So, anyway, catch you guys later. Keep out of trouble. Stay safe. Have fun. Enjoy your weekend, guys.